Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest cleaning spray on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best cleaning spray of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name 7th Generation All-Purpose Cleaning Spray. The 7th Generation All-Purpose Cleaning Spray is a versatile surface cleaner designed to tackle various cleaning tasks around the home. This particular variant comes in a 23-ounce bottle and features a refreshing lemon chamomile scent, offering a pleasant and natural fragrance while you clean. The spray is formulated to effectively cut through grease and grime, making it suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including countertops, stovetops, and kitchen appliances. Its plant-based ingredients ensure that it is both tough on dirt and gentle on the environment, aligning with 7th Generation's commitment to creating eco-friendly cleaning products. This all-purpose cleaner is not only effective but also safe for use in homes with children and pets, as it avoids harsh chemicals commonly found in traditional cleaning products. The 7th Generation All-Purpose Cleaning Spray is a practical choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh-smelling home while minimizing their environmental impact. Product 2. Product name Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Variety Pack. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Variety Pack is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle a wide range of tough cleaning tasks around the home. This pack includes 6 magic eraser sponges, featuring 3 different types: ultra thick, ultra foamy, and extra durable, each tailored for specific cleaning needs. Ultra thick sponges are ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, offering extra absorption and strength to tackle stubborn dirt and grime. Ultra foamy sponges are perfect for generating rich lather, making them effective on surfaces that require a gentle yet thorough clean. Extra durable sponges are designed for long-lasting use, particularly suited for tackling tougher, more abrasive cleaning jobs. Product 3. Product name Lysol Air Sanitizer Spray. The Lysol Air Sanitizer Spray is a powerful solution designed for air sanitization and odor elimination, making it an ideal addition to your home or workspace. This spray comes in a convenient 10 fluid ounces size and is specifically formulated to sanitize the air, effectively reducing airborne bacteria and eliminating unpleasant odors. With a simple fresh scent, it leaves behind a clean and refreshing atmosphere, enhancing the overall environment. This product aligns with the user's interest in household and cleaning tools, providing an effective way to maintain a healthy and pleasant living space. The Lysol Air Sanitizer Spray is easy to use and perfect for those looking for a quick and efficient way to freshen up any room. Whether you're dealing with cooking smells, pet odors, or just want to ensure a clean air environment, this spray is a reliable option for achieving a fresher, more hygienic space. Product 4. Product name Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner. The Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner is an antibacterial all-purpose cleaning spray designed specifically for use in kitchens. It is highly effective in cleaning and degreasing a variety of surfaces, including countertops, ovens, and appliances. The formula is designed to eliminate tough grease and grime, making it ideal for keeping kitchen areas hygienic and sparkling clean. In addition to its powerful cleaning capabilities, the Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray also provides antibacterial protection, helping to kill germs and bacteria that may be present on surfaces. This spray comes with a refreshing citrus scent, leaving a pleasant fragrance in the kitchen after use. The versatility of the product makes it suitable for various kitchen cleaning tasks, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience. Whether tackling stubborn grease on stovetops or ensuring that food preparation areas are sanitary, the Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner is a reliable choice for maintaining a clean and safe kitchen environment. Product 5. Product name Finish Dual Action Dishwasher Cleaner. The Finish Dual Action Dishwasher Cleaner is designed to tackle 2 common issues in dishwashers: grease and limescale buildup. This cleaner works effectively to maintain the performance and longevity of your dishwasher by removing grease from the internal components and breaking down limescale that accumulates over time. The product comes in an 8.45-ounce bottle and is easy to use, ensuring that your dishwasher remains fresh and clean. Its dual-action formula not only enhances the cleaning efficiency of your dishwasher but also helps in preventing potential mechanical issues caused by residue buildup. This makes it an essential product for maintaining household appliances, particularly for those who prioritize cleanliness and efficiency in their kitchen. In the context of the user's interests, the Finish Dual Action Dishwasher Cleaner aligns with their focus on maintaining and optimizing household appliances, much like their interest in baking tools, kitchen appliances, and other home-related products. Product 6. Product name Stardrops Cleaner Spray. The Stardrops Cleaner Spray, commonly known as the Pink Stuff, the Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaner Spray, is a versatile cleaning solution designed to tackle a wide range of household cleaning tasks. This product is renowned for its powerful yet gentle formula, making it effective for cleaning various surfaces, including kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, and more. The Pink Stuff Cleaner Spray is particularly celebrated for its ability to remove stubborn stains, grease, and grime without causing damage to the surfaces. Its non-abrasive nature ensures that it is safe to use on a variety of materials, from stainless steel to glass. The cleaner is also known for its pleasant, fresh scent, which leaves cleaned areas smelling fresh.